Well, thank you for watching. For today, I'll be showing you how to check who viewed your post or your message in a WhatsApp group. Thank you for keeping in touch with me. If you're new here, consider subscribing, like, and share. Today, I'll be showing you a free trick on how to check who viewed your post or a message in a WhatsApp group. This is how it is done. Remember, this channel works on content that is about how to get free internet or data, free WhatsApp tricks, and how to make money online. Watch the video until the end because I'll repeat the trick at the end of the video. Go to WhatsApp, look for any group in your WhatsApp where you are. Write there a message and wait for some minutes to get people who can view it. So after, you will go to the message that you wrote and then go to the upper right corner in those three dots, then choose info. You will immediately see those people who have viewed your message in our WhatsApp group. I think you can see those are the people who viewed the message that I wrote. You also try it, but remember, okay, for those who have not understood it, I'm going to repeat it. Please remember to subscribe, like, share to a friend. Please subscribe, like, and share. So I'm repeating it. We go back and choose a group, a WhatsApp group, and then we go to that very comment that we commented or that we posted. After we hold it, you go to that message that you wrote and hold it. After holding it, you go to the upper right corner. There are three dots. Then you choose info. That is done. Thank you for watching. Have you in the next video. It's Sadisti, a solution to top mind. Subscribe, like, and share.